This moderately sized drill can be retrofitted onto medium to heavy duty style machines. It is an 8 horsepower at 100% duty cycle BT40 tool interface and up to 4,000 RPM. The machine will take up to 28mm diameter drills. Using latest tooling technology, this drill is designed to rapidly drill holes in an unprecedented amount of time, thereby increasing your productivity. The drill head is fitted with a Unist Tornado system, which delivers 10 milliliters per hour of Coolube 2210 metal cutting oil through the spindle and then through the tool to deliver near-dry drilling. Check out the benefits of Coolube over other cheaper products that are on the market. A cost-effective conversion for all machine types. No waste, kind to the environment, and no wasting money either. More economical in the long run. Using Coolube preserves machine parts for longer and prevents rusting. Clean. No more messy slip hazards from excess coolant oozing down machines and walkways. The Minimum Quantity Lubrication system dispenses precisely the amount of Coolube needed. No more and no less. Better for machine operators. No more dermatitis caused by skin contact with coolants. Coolube does not oxidize or go sticky. 100% biodegradable.